This is my bike check. Frame, We the People Ovoid. It's from 2007, but it's pretty strong. Bars, fit-eds, grip, animal edwins with stock barends, and Odyssey monolever in small with an Odyssey slic linear cable. The stem is an animal jump-off. The forks are fit blade lights. Front tire is animal GLH. The front wheel is a stock fit wheel. The rim is an Alienation 440. The pedals are Odyssey twisted PCs. The crank is a Demolition medial. Sprocket is an S&M Tuffman with the cam-C chain. Seat clamp, Snafu Conrad. The seat post is an animal. The seat is a McNeil SL. The back tire is also a GLH, and it's another stock fit wheel with an Alienation 440 rim and a 9-tooth cassette. And I'm not sure if I said this, but the brakes are Diatechs and the headset is a kink. Yeah, that's my bike.